And well, Karnataka MLC polls marked by cross voting, where JDS and BJP have claimed at least 6 MLAs have cross voted. PY Vijayendra has said that 6 to 7 JDS, 5 to 6 BJP MLAs have cross voted. BJP is all set to take action on the MLAs who cross voted. Vijayendra has said that they have sought the appointment of BJP chief on this issue. But confirmation certainly coming in as this is B.Y. Vijayendra who has confirmed that 6 to 7 JDS and 5 to 6 BJP MLAs have cross-voted. Now, while they are saying that they will take action against those who've indulged in this, but Karnataka MLC polls that have certainly seen cross-voting. Now, how this will impact the eventual result is something that will be seen. And so far, the response coming in from B.Y. Vijayendra, who said that action will be taken against those who've indulged in cross-voting. But B.Y. Vijayendra has also said that they've sought an appointment of BJP chief on this matter, and those who have cross-voted will not be spared. We're trying to get further details of what the BJP may do at this point, who those MLAs could be, and how this is likely to have an impact on the final result. Let's listen in.
ನಿನ್ನೆ ಚುನಾವಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ವೋಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಇದೆ, ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣವಾದ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ನಾನೇನು ವಿಚಲಿತನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ವೋಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಮೊದಲೇ ನಾನು ನಿರೀಕ್ಷೆನೂ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ, ಅದು ಯಾರ್ಯಾರಿಂದ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಇದೇನು ಈ ಚುನಾವಣೆಯ ಫಲಿತಾಂಶ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ವೋಟಿಂಗು ನನಗೆ
See polls marred by cross voting, you just heard, and B.Y. Vijayendra, who's also said that action will be taken against those who have indulged in cross voting. Those MLAs will certainly be pulled up, and B.Y. Vijayendra also confirming that they have sought an appointment of the BJP chief on this matter. But let's take a closer look at how this has impacted the numbers game.
ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಮುಂದೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಅವ್ರು ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವಾಗ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರ ಹತ್ರ ಏನೇನು ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಏನೇನು ವ್ಯವಹಾರಗಳು ನಡೆದಿದೆ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ವಿಷಯ. ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಜನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾರು ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ, ಅದು ಚರ್ಚೆಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಹಿಂದೆ ಕಳೆದ 3 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಏನೇನು ನಡ್ಕೊಂಬರ್ತಿದೆ ನಾನು ಗಮನಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಒಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಸತ್ಯ. ಆದರೆ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಮತದಾನ ಆದಂಥ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ JDS ಪಕ್ಷದಿಂದನೂ ಕೂಡ 6-7 ಅಡ್ಡ ಮತದಾನಗಳಾಗಿದ್ದಾವೆ. BJP ಇಂದಲೂ ಕೂಡ 5ಕ್ಕೂ ಕನಿಷ್ಠ 4-5 ಅಡ್ಡ ಮತಗಳು ಆಗಿದ್ದಾವೆ ಅನ್ನುವ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ನಮಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ನಾನು ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭ ಹೇಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಇಷ್ಟೇ, ನಮ್ಮದು ಒಂದು ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಪಕ್ಷ. ನಮ್ಮ ಪಕ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಶಾಸಕರು ಯಾರು ಅಡ್ಡ ಮತದಾನವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರನ್ನು ಕ್ಷಮಿಸ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಆಟ ಆಡಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅನ್ನುವ ಕೆಲವು ಮಾಹಿತಿಗಳು ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ನಾಯಕರ, ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರ ಅಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಮೆಂಟನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆದರೆ ಇವತ್ತೇ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವಾಗ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ತಕ್ಷಣ ಬರ್ತೇನೆ. ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಪ್ರಸಕ್ತ ರಾಜಕೀಯ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ವಿಧಾನ ಪರಿಷತ್ನಲ್ಲಾದಂಥ ಅಡ್ಡ ಮತದಾನದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ವಿವರಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಮನವಿಯನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಬಹುಶಃ ಇವತ್ತು ಅಥವಾ ಸೋಮವಾರ.
Let me take this to my colleague Nagarjun to break down the details of what is coming now. Nagarjun, what is the BJP suspecting in this? Why did the MLAs indulge in cross-voting, and what is the likely action that they're planning to take?
Right now, the BJP State President Vijayendra has sought an appointment with National President Nitin Nabin to explain what happened or what transpired yesterday, 24 hours ago in Karnataka, many MLAs of the BJP party have cross-voted and many MLAs of the GDS have cross-voted. Now what is happening is both the parties are trying to introspect who would be the MLA that would have cross-voted. Because it's a secret ballot, they can't pinpoint on the name. JDS has 18 MLAs and BJP had given 4 extra MLAs to them for voting yesterday. So that was 22 MLAs together in the NDA for the JDS candidate. But however, JDS only got 14 such votes, which means 8 MLAs have not voted for the JDS candidate behalf of the NDA. And in BJP also 3 shortage of votes for their candidate, which was assigned, which means 8 plus 3. 11 such MLAs have voted against the candidates of the NDA and have voted in favor of the Congress. Now the BJP and JDS will go back to the drawing room to figure out which are these 11 people, how many of them were from the JDS, how many are from the BJP. Both have been spoken to each other is what we are told, and now national party, which is BJP, will seek an opinion or a suggestion from the state leadership as to what exactly transpired, and most likely then disciplinary action will be initiated is what we are picking up.
All right, Nagarjun May, thanks for getting us those details.